Hi everyone. Oh, I gotta quit doing that because Lord knows I sound like Gabriel Zamora. I say that. So, hello. How are you? Today we're doing a Starbucks review of a Frappuccino that is supposed to taste like my very favorite candy bar. Y'all ready? It is Twix. This could be old news, but this is new news to me. So if this is old news, you go ahead and just keep on scrolling through. Find another video. I'll link one up here. Just click on it. Okay, next. Let me not let this camera fall. That's the thing. So much construction going on over here in this big old tiny little hick town. Okay, so the recipe, sorry, I knocked my head off. The recipe is, whoop, this car's going really fast, is caramel, sorry y'all. The recipe is, well, I'm about to be up here, so I'll tell you, give me just a second. Okay. I'm going to try to sound professional.
Thank you for the Starbucks. What kind of gift card for you today?
Yes, I'd like a tall caramel frappuccino, and I want to add 1 pump of caramel and 1 pump of hazelnut. And can I add Java chips to it?
Yes, you said that was a tall.
Yes, a tall, please.
So that was a tall caramel frappuccino with Pump of Hazelnut and Java chips.
And 1 pump of caramel.
Okay, do you still want any of the drizzle, caramel drizzle that comes on that?
Yes, please.
Okay, does that suit your order?
Yes, ma'am, that'd be it.
Okay, come on down. It's over 507.
Okay, thanks. Ooh, that total was 507, but y'all, doesn't it sound so professional when I said that? Like I knew what I was talking about? You just gotta love it. Oh, I got it. Hang on, don't move. Okay, sorry. I had to get my my card because I have a deal with my bank because you know it comes. I have a little deal on my little bank website that came up, and it said you get 5% cash back if you purchase at Starbucks in the next 30 days. Tell me I can't purchase something at Starbucks for 30 days. And I think I will be in Tennessee in 30 days. And I know I'll be getting a Starbucks on the way there, while we're there. I know that already. Y'all, I'm so excited about this Frappuccino. It is supposed to taste like a Twix candy bar. Now, I know a Twix candy bar. Look at me. I know one. So, I am excited to try this. I think the girl's gonna probably freak out when she sees that I have a video on my dashboard. I mean, a camera on my dashboard, but who cares what people think, right? Let your head toss. Check my nails. Go on, Lizzo, do your thing. So, I really like her, by the way. Like, she's just kind of come on the scene and taken some stuff by storm. I really like her music. I haven't found anything that I don't really like. And my little heifer clan that I have, my little frenzy poos that is in my little circle. We all the time, if we see something online or we see the song is playing or whatever, we are Snapchatting each other, you know. We just like Lizzos. But anyway, so I am in this very long line. So I think I'm gonna pause this for just a minute. No. Oh, we're moving. Oh, we're moving. We're not moving fast enough. It is 4:33. Holy crap. I've got to pick up my kid in like the next town over by 5 o'clock. I didn't think this through. Mom goals. You know. Oh, my battery life is at 15%. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to have to pause y'all and wait for this thing for me to just move up. Okay. Just hang on. Alright, we're almost there. Behind me, she keeps looking at me because I'm talking to myself. Oh, here we go. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
This other salad sandwich.
Thank you.
Have a good
Thank
one.
you. You too. Let's get somewhere. Don't you fall down. Don't you do it. Y'all, isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. Y'all, it feels amazing. It is 67 degrees with a breeze, and it's a little cloudy, so it would be better if it was sunshiny, but anyway, look at this. Look, as it shifts, you can see all the Java chips move. So the recipe did say that you could do caramel and mocha drizzle on the top, but I just, whatever, you know. I'm a whatever when it comes to the drizzle. All right, I am so excited. See, why is this thing still, okay. I don't know. Ready? Un momento. I'm trying. It tastes like a Twix, but it tastes like something else too. So that's what I'm trying to find, is the something else. It's like, okay, it's like you took a Twix right out of the refrigerator. You know, refrigerator, freezer, whatever you like. You know, baby daddy loves his cold. Right out of the refrigerator. And like dunked it in hot chocolate. There's a school bus. And you dunked it in hot chocolate. And like whipped cream. But when you get a straw full, tag on school bus. If Chase was here, school bus, mama, school bus. A little sweet potato. So, but if you get in your straw some Java chips in there, I'll eat Twix all day. And it said 1 to 2 pumps of caramel and 1 to 2 pumps of hazelnut. So I wanted to try it. But I think 2 pumps of hazelnut to this would have set it right off. And that would have been your Twix. But this thing is freaking amazing. Like, this is gonna get me in trouble right here. This right here, Cat Williams. This right here. This right here. So good. Okay, guys, I guess that's the end of this review. Damn, that's good. I'm gonna try not to get a tummy ache from drinking all this. So you know how like I try to rate things? I think this is like number 2. The last one I did of the I think it was cake batter Frappuccino, I linked that up here. I think I said it was like in my top 3 or top 5. That thing just shot it right out of the water. Like, that might be, the cake pop one is probably top 10. This little guy is like top 2, top 3. Like, he's bad to the bone. And I bet if I do that extra pump of hazelnut, she'll make her way right up to number 1. Be still my heart. Be still my Frappuccino heart. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I gotta get my baby. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.